Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to optimize WordPress website and speed up website tutorial 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews, so don't forget to subscribe. So first things first, to optimize WordPress, the best setting right now is first use Bluehost, one of the best web hosting. And they give you a free domain, free SSL, and have a 70% discount link in the description. The reason we are choosing this web hosting is this web hosting is really fast. And if you come to wordpress.org, this is the #1 hosting. So if your website is really slow, as you know, it's a bad thing for your search engine optimization. Google hates a slow website. So Bluehost is one of the best web hosting, and I have a 70% discount. Go and check it out. Once you have this web hosting, then I'm going to show you the second step. So the second step, so currently I'm in my WordPress dashboard. So the second step is downloading a cache plugin. So the one which I suggest is WP Rocket. So currently there is no free version for it, but then I have a 20% discount. This is the best cache plugin. If you don't have the money right now, you could use W3 cache. So it's tools. So all you have to go in plugins, add new, and then W3 cache. You can install that. So that's your second option, but the first option is WP Rocket. So you don't have a free version for it. I've already installed WP Rocket. It's in plugins, or you can just go from your settings. The best feature about WP Rocket is, so once you do that, so the thing is, you can go and do file optimization. You can minify HTML, minify CSS file, minify JavaScript. So the settings you have to do is just click over here, okay, and then just click over here and optimize CSS delivery, and then this. So just activate, and that's it. And the second thing which you have to do is lazy load, enable for images, and then preload. So activate preloading. So all the settings are already done, so you don't have to do any settings over here. On database, keep this as it is. If you want, you could install a Cloudflare CDN, which I don't suggest right now in the beginning, but I would suggest WP Rocket. And then image optimization. If you're not uploading high resolution and high MB images, then you can use this. But I always make sure that whenever I upload an image on WordPress, I compress it and I upload it. So that's it, and all the settings are already done over here. So first thing is when you install WP Rocket, you have to buy a license. So I have a 20% discount, but if you don't have it right now, if you don't have that money, you can use W3 cache, but I would suggest go for this one. It's really good. Try for the one website. The link is down below. I have a 20% discount. So cache, enable cache, that's it, and keep this 30 days. So cache is done. File optimization, minify this, minify CSS, optimize CSS delivery, and minify JavaScript files. That's done. The next thing is come on media, enable for images, disable emoji. That's it. Don't just leave this unchecked. Preload, just activate preloading. That's it. Advanced rule, keep this as it is. CDN, if you want, you could come over here on add-ons and install Cloudflare, but I'm not going to do that. So that's it. So all done. So now that's it, guys. So if I just go on this and go on GT metrics, so anyways, it's a new website, so it's gonna show me really fast. But then if you have an old website, make sure that you use WP Rocket. Really good. So that's done. So as you could see, it's loading in 1.3 seconds. Everything is 99%, and even this. So for me, I need to use CDN, so which I can use it. And once you use a CDN, even it would automatically add expiry headers. So this is the website, guys. Everything looks perfect. It loads fast, so make sure it loads under 2 seconds. And that's it, guys. This is how you optimize your WordPress website. And also, guys, before I leave, if you really like the video, please consider subscribing. And also, I've created a course on how to build your brand, blogging, SEO, social media. In this course, I explain you how to get thousands of visitors to your blog. You could generate sales, and it's just $7. I just created it. So yeah, and happy new year 2020. And that's it. I hope to see you in the next video. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to secure your WordPress website from hackers. So I will see you over there. Thank you.